Hi, so generally I like to eat pancakes, but I don't just use the regular organic pancake mix. I also add protein, I add probiotics and reds. This allowed this meal to be very nutritious because it has protein, it has good carbs, and it has a lot of nutrients that are from the reds, and also it helps to keep my gut healthy with the probiotics. So I just have a regular organic pancake mix. I put the serving, then I'll do 1 scoop of the probiotic, one scoop of the reds, one scoop of the protein, and then I'm gonna mix it and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So as you can see, you can make your pancakes very healthy just by adding the good protein, some reds with nutrients, and some probiotics. So try that.